Hey everybody, welcome to Keep Drawing. Today we're going to learn how to draw a cartoon turtle just like this one. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I have the materials that I need, just a black marker and a sheet of paper. And I'm going to go ahead and start off with a curved rainbow line like this. The next thing I'm going to do is put a little curved line on the end on either side, and then I'm going to connect that line straight across. After that, I'm going to draw another line across to show the edge of the shell. So right now it kind of looks like an upside down bowl. Now I'm going to make a zigzag right up here along the top. And from each point, I'm going to draw a line across to the top. Next, I'm going to continue with the pattern of the turtle shell by drawing these three lines. My next step is down here along the edge, in between each of these lines that touch, I'm making another line. Now we have the pattern of the top part of the turtle shell. So we're going to go ahead and start on the head and neck. I'm going to start with one line that comes out here and then curves across. And then I'm going to put the turtle's nose, which kind of looks like a beak, and a little line here. These turtles seem to look like they're smiling. And then underneath the head, we'll bring down this line for the neck and bring it under the shell just like that. Now I'm going to add the nostrils, and right here near the corner of the mouth, I'm going to draw a circle for the eye. Inside that eye, I'm going to put another circle and leave it white. It's our light catcher. And then I'm going to color everything around it black. Next comes the legs. So here, I'm going to bring down two curved lines, the bottom of the front foot, and then three claws like this. For the hind leg, I'm going to do the same thing back here, only I'm going to make it just a little bit wider. Once again, I'm going to draw the bottom of the foot and three more little claws like this. The next thing I'm going to do is the shell that goes underneath, under the belly. So I'm going to put one line here. I'm going to continue that line between these two legs. And then I'm going to end it right about here. Next comes the tail. Just a short pointed tail that goes down like this. And I might add a few scales here on the legs for details. So my final step is to show the legs on the other side of the turtle's body, just like this. So let's take a look at our finished turtle. I chose to go with three colors, light green, yellow, and dark green. But turtles come in a lot of different colors. You could choose whatever colors you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find it helpful. Please like, subscribe, or share if you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye-bye.